Welcome to this tutorial on Uniswap token list, a comprehensive guide to understanding this essential component of the Uniswap ecosystem. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange protocol that enables the trading of cryptocurrencies on the Ethereum blockchain. The Uniswap token list is a curated list of tokens that are supported on the Uniswap platform, allowing users to trade and interact with these assets. To begin, let's define what the Uniswap token list is. The token list is a registry of tokens that have been vetted and approved by the Uniswap community, ensuring that they meet certain standards and criteria. This list is maintained by the Uniswap team and is updated regularly to include new tokens and remove any that no longer meet the required standards. One of the key benefits of the Uniswap token list is that it provides a level of assurance and trust for users. By only allowing tokens that have been thoroughly vetted to be listed, Uniswap can help protect users from potential scams or low-quality assets. This is particularly important in the cryptocurrency space, where the lack of regulation and oversight can make it difficult for users to distinguish between legitimate and illegitimate projects. In practical terms, the Uniswap token list is used to determine which tokens are available for trading on the Uniswap platform. When a user wants to trade a token, they can search for it on the Uniswap interface, and if it is listed on the token list, they can proceed with the trade. If the token is not listed, it may still be possible to trade it, but this will require the user to manually input the token's contract address and other details, which can be more complex and carries more risk. To get a token listed on Uniswap, the project team must submit an application and provide detailed information about the token, including its contract address, symbol, and decimals. The Uniswap team will then review this information and verify that the token meets the required standards, which include factors such as liquidity, trading volume, and community support. Best practices for using the Uniswap token list include always verifying the token's contract address and other details before trading, and being cautious when interacting with tokens that are not listed on the token list. Additionally, users should always do their own research and due diligence before investing in any cryptocurrency, and should never invest more than they can afford to lose. In conclusion, the Uniswap token list is a critical component of the Uniswap ecosystem, providing a level of assurance and trust for users and helping to promote a safe and secure trading environment. By understanding how the token list works and how to use it effectively, users can get the most out of the Uniswap platform and make informed decisions about their cryptocurrency investments.